Hello everyone. So today our problem is based on finding the equation of the normal to the curve given to us from an external point. Let us first see how the curve looks like. The curve will be something like this, and then the external point is, say, suppose here. Now if I have to draw a normal, so it will go like this. The point where the normal is intersecting the curve, let us call that point as h comma k. Now we need to find the equation of this normal passing through 40 k. So let's see. Now y is equals to square root of x, and so that means taking the derivative of this gives me the slope of the tangent, but I need the slope of the normal. So the slope of the normal will be 1 over 2 square root of x into m2, where m2 is the slope of the normal, is equals to -1. Solving this, m2 is minus 2 square root of x. Since this normal is passing through h comma k, so my slope of the normal will be minus 2 square root of h. Let us mark this as equation 1. Now another way of finding the slope of this normal is using y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. That also gives me the slope. So y2, I will be considering the point h comma k and 4 comma 0. So my slope will come out to be 0 minus k over 4 minus h. Now equation 1 and equation 2 will be equal to each other, as m2 is same the slope of the normal, so I can write it as minus 2 square root of h is equals to 0 minus k over 4 minus h. Solving this further, I get minus 2 square root of h is equals to k over 4 minus h with a negative. Further solving gives me minus 2 square root of h into 4 minus h equals to negative k. Now as h comma k lies on y is equals to square root of x, so that means k is equals to square root of h. Now replacing this k in this equation, I get, continuing from here, now a will imply minus 2 square root of h, 4 minus h is equals to minus square root of h. I can cancel both the negatives on both sides. Further I am left with 2 square root of h, 4 minus h. Now I am shifting this h to the other side. Negative square root of h equals 0. That gives me square root of h. Taking that common, I am left with 2 times 4 minus h minus 1 equals 0. So now either h is 0 or this whole equation is equals to 0, but h equals to 0 means my x is 0, but here it is given clearly that that 0 point, the x equals to 0 is not possible because it is the end of the function, so there can't be a normal at this point. So we will ignore that. We will ignore h equals to 0 and we will just consider 2 4 minus h minus 1 equals to 0. Now let's solve this up. So that gives me 8 minus 2h minus 1 equals to 0, and further solving, that gives me 7 equals to 2h, that is h is equals to 7 by 2. If my h is 7 by 2, my y becomes square root of 7 by 2 and my slope will become minus 2 square root of 7 by 2. Okay, let's go to the next slide and let's continue this question. Now I need to find the equation. Here I will change this to k. Now let's move to our equation. My equation of the normal will be y minus k is equal to the slope into x minus h. So y minus my slope was square root of 7 by 2. My slope will be, let me check once, minus 2 square root 7 by 2. Minus 2 square root of 7 by 2 x minus 7 by 2. I have got my equation, but I need to simplify this further. So let's see, y minus square root of 7 by 2 minus 2 square root 7 by 2x minus, I'll call it as 7 square root 7 by 2. Okay, let's solve further. Okay, taking this minus 7 square root 7 by 2 to the left hand side, I get y minus square root 7 by 2 plus, okay, this will be plus, so taking it to the other side, it will be minus 7 square root 7 by 2 equals negative 2 square root 7 by 2. Okay, that gives me y minus 8 square root 7 by 2 equals minus 2 square root 7 by 2. Now if I solve this up further, I get y, and now I will cancel the square root 2 with an 8, so I am left with 4 square root 2 multiplied with square root 7, and here I will cancel the 2 with the square root 2 with this 2, so I am left with minus square root 2 into square root 7x. So that gives me y minus 4 square root 14, which is equals to minus square root 14x. Further, if I take and simplify this equation, I get y plus square root of 14x minus 4 square root 14 is equals to 0, and that gives me my equation. I hope it is clear. Thank you.